Imagine being handed a microphone that could reach millions of people. But the problem is that you don't know. No one ever taught you how to use it. That's what voting feels like for many first-time voters. They have the voice, they have the right, but not the knowledge or confidence to use it. Hi everyone, my name is Sam Guhan and I'm a freshman in high school. As a student and as a future voter, I've noticed something really concerning. My generation cares deeply about issues like climate change, gender equality, education, and so much more. Yet, so many of us stay silent when it comes to voting. Why? Well, it's not because we don't care, it's because that no one ever taught us how important it is. So today, let's find out what's holding back first-time voters and how we, as a community, can change that. For many first-time voters, voting feels like traveling around the world without a GPS or going through a maze without a map. According to the 2024 presidential election data, many of the youth reported that they had the most hardest time trying to find the basic information, like how to vote, how to register, or even when to show up. The process can seem overwhelming with many unfamiliar steps and deadlines. And when participation feels complicated, uncertainty replaces action, meaning that it's just easier to walk away. So when the youth are confused about voting, it doesn't mean that they're careless, it's just that no one ever took the time to explain it clearly to them. Schools teach us formulas, grammar, chemical reactions, and so much more, but rarely on how to vote in democracy or how important it is. Even high-achieving students, and I'm talking about college students, sometimes skip voting because they don't know how important it is to participate in democracy. They don't know how it connects to their everyday lives. They aren't careless, they're unaware. And when education is missing, something even bigger takes its place. Silence. Silence sends a big message. When families, friends, teachers, professors, no one around you, absolutely no one talks about voting, it starts to feel like it's something that just doesn't belong to you. According to the Center for Information and Research on Civic Learning and Engagement, they found out that 14% of the youth who didn't vote said they lacked basic information like I mentioned before, how to vote, where to register, or even about the candidates. And more than 36% of the youth who didn't vote, who have college degrees, they said they didn't vote because they thought their vote won't matter. They assumed that their vote was going to be one in the entire country and that if one vote is missing, there's no problem. They're wrong. But that isn't apathy. That's absence. That's the absence of guidance. That's the absence of conversations. That's the absence of us all, community. So the problem isn't that we young people don't care about democracy, we do. The problem is that we were just never prepared to take part in it. But if silence can discourage voting, then conversations can ignite it. Young people don't need permission to participate. We need preparation. Talk about voting at home. Ask schools to hold registration drives to make it easier for the youth to vote openly. Share how you registered. Spread the word, because democracy doesn't just happen to us out of thin air. It happens through us, through all of us by community. And remember, democracy is never quiet, and we shouldn't be either. Thank you.